Good YouTube, it's your boy Avin back here with another video. In this one, I got a real value pack one for you. I'm gonna be showing you every single app that's in my Shopify dropshipping store and letting you guys know what are the essential apps for you to have in your store so you can make money and convert customers in 2019 with Shopify dropshipping.
All right, how's it going, guys? Here we are, my computer, in my Shopify store. I'm gonna give you everything I have. I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys about exactly what apps I have. I'm gonna go down a list, explain each one, why I think it's necessary for your own store, and what benefit it has, and how it's gonna help you, your bottom line and overall your success. So yeah, let's get into it. This first app, this one's just kind of one for my supplier. So I have a private line shipping. So I work with a supplier who ships my stuff out. So this is just an app for him to fulfill the order. So it's not really applicable right now. But if you guys need a supplier or something like that, I know a couple people who could probably help you out. So let me know, and I can help you out with that for sure. Abandonment Protector. This is just an app that tries to regain the customers that leave. Just simple, retargeting app, or So just how to recapture. I have like a sequence, like an email sequence that I send out for customers who add to cart or something like that, but they don't continue on with their purchase. So this Abandonment Protector app just sends them an email, and we try to get the customer back and try to get them to convert. So very, very necessary, definitely, because this helps actually a lot of the profits, because when you're retargeting, you already paid for the customer, right? Even if they don't convert, you already paid for them to acquire them. So you want to do everything you can to still get them to convert on that sale. So Abandonment Protector definitely helps a lot in the bottom line, and it helps a lot. So it's a very essential app for retargeting, as well as just improving profits. AfterShip, you probably know about this app. It's a very commonly known tracking app. This is the app I put on my store so customers can go in and track their orders. It helps with, so I don't get too many emails with people asking, where's my order, things like that. You're still gonna do it. You're still gonna get it, just because people don't really take the time to go into the store and look how to track my order. They rather just have someone answer for them. So which I get, it's cool, but this one helps with that. Other reviews, this is just my review app. Some people use Looks, I know about that, but didn't love it too much. Other reviews I like because it's just I like the interface, I like how it looks, as well as little known hack, you can actually import your own reviews into it. So if you've ever seen the AliExpress reviews, they can be kind of shitty, they can be kind of spotty. So this one actually lets you import Amazon reviews into it. So obviously make sure it's the same product. I guess it's a little black hat maybe, but this will actually let you put in Amazon reviews for the same product in there. So that's why I like it, for that reason alone. That's the biggest reason. So review app, very, very important. There's a stat that I don't know the exact percentage, but almost everyone looks for social proof before they buy an item. And if you even reverse engineer your own behavior, I know I definitely look at reviews from people about how the product is, the product quality, how it holds up, things like that. So review app is essential. This is probably the most important, one of the most top three most important apps you need to have in your store. So if you don't have a review app, you're definitely leaving money on the table. It's killing your conversions. I can say that with certainty. It's killing your conversions. So you need a review app right now. Pause this video, look at a review app right now. The next one, best-selling product sorting disabler. This is a good app as well, because it actually stops, as you spend more time in this game, you're going to realize that people, they're going to spy on your store. It's just inevitable. There's nothing that can be done about it. Dropshipping is a very competitive game now. So this app actually doesn't allow people to see what your best-selling products are. So it's great for keeping your winners hidden, in a sense. It's hard to keep them completely hidden, but this one does a good job of that. So it's a good app. Cartquake, an app. It's just an app. So if you've ever seen your add to cart button, it just kind of shakes it. So it's good just for visibility purposes. When a customer might be on your product page looking at the apps, looking at the product, it just keeps the add to cart button visible, and it's just good for getting their attention. Essentially, it's not essential. I wouldn't say it's needed. It just helps a little bit, I'd say. And then the next one is Coin. Coin is a good app as well. I think that's actually necessary. So I would say definitely get Coin, or any type of currency converter app, because when you do Facebook ads, you will be, you're most likely going to be targeting, tier 1 countries worldwide, and it's really going to help conversions, because it actually converts their currency. So if, say, for example, someone's in, I don't know, United Kingdom, it's going to convert it to pounds. you're gonna keep it in dollars most likely. It's gonna convert to £2 automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. That really helps conversions. Obviously, say you want to see the currency in your own country, so it's very important. I would say you definitely need a currency converter. It's definitely killing your conversions if you don't have something like this and you are targeting to countries outside the U.S. Disable right click, another one kind of similar to best selling products disabler. What this one does is a lot of people, what they do is they try to right click on your photos, your product descriptions. They try to copy it straight up, which is part of the game, it's part of the territory. So what this is going to do is not going to allow them to do that. They can't steal your photos, they can't steal your product descriptions and just take it word for word verbatim. Obviously they can still type it out, but that's a lot more work for them. And what this is going to do is not going to be able to let them do any of that. So very good app, pretty cheap too. It's like $1 or something like that. Frequently bought together, another good app. This is just you've probably seen this on Amazon, things like that. Basically it's a little upsell app without actually upselling them right in their face. So it just kind of gives them similar related products right in the bottom, so they can add a bundle, things like that. It's good for increasing average order value for sure. Mass Fulfill, another app for my supplier. Nothing really there. Minifier, this is what this one does. I don't usually use this one too much, probably should delete it, but this one just is going to compress your images. It's really good. Compressing your images is really important for load speed, and you might not even know this, but load speed is definitely killing your conversions if you have too many apps and GIFs and all this other shit. Like, it's definitely going to kill your speed, and that's going to kill your conversions. If it's really high, I'd say try to keep your load speed around 4 seconds. I'd say 4 seconds maximum. Keep it 4 seconds or less for sure. And this is going to help with that because it's going to compress the images, so your page is going to load faster. So you don't really need to have an app for that. You can use an app. Websites like TinyPNG is a good one. Compress JPEG, compress PNG. Another hack. Not a hack, I'd say, but a tip. Put every single one of your images in JPEG format, and it loads faster, so it's going to help your product page. PNG kills load speed time, so page speed is essential. Oberlo, that one. Just how I import my products. I don't really fulfill through AliExpress or Oberlo anymore, but when I used Oberlo for that. But it's very important also for me, so I can import products, and it saves me a lot of time when I'm adding products to my store. Simple contact us. Just a simple, exactly what the name says is what it is. I have a page in my website where people can, write their requests in if they don't do it directly through email. So it just adds a little more professionalism to the site, gives the buyer a little more security and trust that this is a legit business, and they're gonna get their order and whatnot. So simple as that, really easy to set up. I'd say it's good. I think it helps conversions. I don't know exactly how much, but I think it's good for sure. SMS Bump, another good app. This is just mobile text messaging marketing or retargeting. So I've only tested this recently. It killed it for the first little bit of time I was using it. Basically, what it's going to do, it's just going to retarget. So how they're retargeting emails, it's just retargeting text messages. It's basically what it is. It's great. I think it's a good app. Especially in today's world, most of the buyers do come from mobile, so you want to hit them where they are. And if you target older people as well, a lot of them don't even use their emails. So SMS Bump is a great one for that. Definitely can help improve your profits for sure. Sweet Upsell. This is an app I'm testing out. I haven't really used it too much. Just downloaded it. It's a app by Tristan Broughton. It is a how do I say it? like an upsell app, but it's in the cart itself, or in the checkout. So I'll let you guys know more about that when I have some more to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it because I don't know too much about it, but I want to test it out for sure. See if it increases my average order value. Ultimate special offers, just a simple bundle app. So sorry, bundle quantity. It's like a quantity app. So you can that's how I use it at least. So I want people do buy multiple items, a multiple quantity of the same product, and you'd be surprised that you might think, oh, there's some products. Why would anyone buy 2 of these? But you'd be surprised. People buy 2, I think, just because it's a good deal. At least that's what I think. So Ultimate Special Offers allows me to do that. Set the volume discounts, as well as it's going to calculate it for you, and it's going to do all the work for you, where if they buy 2 quantities, it's going to automatically discount it. So great app for sure. It's going to help you increase your average order value. which is obviously very important with Facebook ad costs being so expensive. And the last one, Zipify Pages. This app's okay. I thought it was going to be better, to be honest. I had high hopes for it, but it's kind of leaving me a little bit, I'm not too hot on it, I guess. Basically what it is it creates landing pages for you. So if you've ever seen a landing page, let me show you. Alright, so this is what a landing page looks like. If this is your landing page, I'm sorry, but it's just, this kind of looks like it looks. I thought it was going to help conversions a lot more, and it hasn't really so far. Maybe it's a little too early to completely give up on it, but this is what a landing page looks like. It's just, I think it just looks a little more professional. It just gives you more leeway in terms of adding different aspects that you think would help your store convert better. Like this helps with bundles. Just cool ways to be creative about how you structure your offer. That's it. 5 pages. Expensive though. I wouldn't recommend it if you're a beginner at all. I would say not really worth it right now, but I'm gonna give it more of a shot. But those are my apps. Let me just go ahead and tell you probably my top 3 most important. I don't know if you need all of these, but I'd say abandonment protector for sure. Retargeting is a must. Do not ever get that twisted. Retargeting is very, very important. Alley reviews, probably number 2, or maybe this isn't in order, but very important. If you don't have reviews, you are messing up for sure. These things are essential to converting, so do not get that twisted either. Alley reviews, looks, whatever you want to do, reviews are needed. My third one, I would say probably I'd say ultimate special offers. The variants, they do help. The volume discounts, adding quantity breaks. So buy 2 for 15% off, buy 3 for 30% off, kind of like that. Those really do work, and they do increase your average order value, and they make you profitable, which is obviously the goal here in the game. So those are my top 3, and those are the essential apps that I think you need for success in Shopify, and they're going to help you convert more customers and make more money. And that's it. That's what we got.
Guys, if you guys stayed to the end, I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. If you got some value out of it, please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you know when my next videos are. If you didn't like it, if you hated it, if you hate my face, give me a dislike. It's cool. I won't take it personally. But thank you guys for watching. I really, really do mean that. I say this in every single video, and I keep saying it, but this channel is really about what I can do for you and not the other way around. So let me know what questions you have. Leave those in the comments below. I do answer every single one for sure. I'm here to help you, like I said. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.